So, natag ako dito sa video na to. At first, it's kind of funny because akala ng mga tao when you say laptop lifestyle, you're like working everywhere all the time. But girl, no. Laptop lifestyle is just you not being location dependent. I still know a lot of people who works from home and they're using desktop, which means kapag ka oras ng bakasyon, oras ng bakasyon. Ako naman, bilang mahilig ako mag-travel-travel ng dito lang naman, as in hindi naman malayo. Never pa nga ako nag-ibang bansa eh. But whenever I go to Manila, ganyan, every now and then gusto ko kasi ng city lifestyle. And pagka naluwas kami, nakakapagtrabaho pa rin ako. Nung nagpunta kami ng Cebu, nagpunta kami ng Bohol, nakakapagtrabaho ako noon as long as okay yung internet. However, I still make sure na yung mga clients ko are aware na nakabakasyon ako and that I will be working whenever I feel like it. As someone who runs multiple businesses, kasi kailangan parang anytime na kailangan mo mag-login, may makakapag-login ka sa laptop mo at hindi lang ikaw sa cellphone nakikipag-communicate. The true essence of freelancing is being able to take that leave nang hindi naghihintay ng approval ng kung sino man. As someone who handles your own business, which is freelancing, you have the freedom to set up your workspace na whatever parang piques your creativity, kanya.